It's time to buy beats and chew bubblegum. And I'm all out of gum. 9 Diamond.
I can finally see it now. It used to be my dream and now it's less than half a mile. I look around and notice it. There is no one by my side. They gave up on me. That makes me the only one, the strongest one. I kept on pushing, and that's the reason that I made it here alive. I'm the strongest, and that's the reason that I survived. And people said if I lost her, that nothing would ever go my way. But look up ahead, and you see my dream sits less than a mile away. I wanted my life to be nothing but glittering. Instead of listening, they started dissing me, throwing rocks over my shoulder. The more people that left is the more that my life got colder. And it was hard when I was young, but I cared less as I got older. Through all the pain, through all the laughter, I reached it now, finally reached the final chapter. When y'all said shit, I kept my mouth shut and never said nothing to it. But it's been a while, but I know why. I save every breath for the final mile. Yeah. But I reached it now, the final mile, guaranteed that I ain't going back. Now, putting my head down, not looking back. I am making it further than I've ever had. And now I'm looking up, and I see my sky. I can make it now, got that glare in my eye from the reflection of the dream that I got, that is right by my side. And I've been making it ever since I put myself down. I had put it all on the line, my blood, sweat and tears. I've made it to the final leap, and I'm ready now. This dream is mine now, it's mine to keep. Guaranteed that I'm gonna make it, and I ain't gonna stop. Gonna make it to the top. Best believe if you hate on me, you just became another enemy. Because I don't forgive none of my enemies. I make it big and I make it now, that is